Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix the rendering issue in Davinci Resolve 21. And it's generally going to come up in three different ways. So the first way it'll come up render failed. The second way it will come up as waiting to render. And the third way it will just render 30 seconds of your project into a file which doesn't work. So I've found out that this is actually caused by the new background rendering feature. So if you have that enabled, that's what's causing it. So to check if it is on, go to Davinci Resolve, Preferences, here stay on the System tab, go down to Background Tasks and make sure this option here is disabled, Enable Background Renders. Once you've turned that off, it should start working again just like it was before without any issues. Just make sure you save at the bottom here. And the final thing I will mention is if you are having any issues even with that off, I've found that rendering it as a MOV file. So I just go in here and set it to one of the default H.265s or H.264 and let it render as a QuickTime project. It seems to work for whatever reason, and that works for pretty much any codec. So if you are desperate and you need to render it, you can try that option as well. Anyway, that wraps up this guide. I hope you found it useful. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.